Alrighty everyone, I hope you're having a good day. It's time to pick the winner of the Caddx Polar and Vista kit. We have got 496 entries, more likes than comments, which is always nice to see. So thank you to everybody who has entered. I'm just going to copy the YouTube link here and go into this comment picker, just paste that in there. We're gonna filter out duplicate users. Let's see, that's all fine. So get YouTube comments. Okay, that's loaded them all there, and let's pick a winner. Good luck to everybody. Okay, we have got a winner. The username DrawMaster33. The comment says, I would love to win this product. Well, guess what? You have. I haven't won anything at all, but we shall see. Keep up the good work. So what you need to do, DrawMaster33, is to put your email in the comments of this video, and as soon as I've seen it, I'll get rid of it, and we can go from there. You can give me your details. So congratulations to DrawMaster33. You have won a Caddx Polar Vista kit. Again, thank you to everybody who has taken part, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.